Welcome to Art as an Expression of Prayer. I'm so thrilled today to introduce you to my very good friend, Lane. Has been a person in my life for a long time, and her gifts of joy and music and connection with the body and spirituality have offered creative growth to my family and to our seminary community. Fa grew up in the United Methodist Church, and she's now an ordained UCC pastor. She leads campers and groups at both Pacomath Camp and also Hartman Retreat Center. Fa, thank you for being with us.
Hello, I'm Reverend Fa Lane. You can call me Fa. I like to do body prayers with yoga. I've learned in my study of yoga that there are messages that get locked in the body and that they sometimes hold us back. But there are also messages held in the body, in the energy of the connective tissue, that can be really helpful. The practice of asana, the positions that you see, calms our body, calms our mind, so that we can settle into prayer or meditation. I find that church sometimes gets wordy, and it isn't very helpful to me. But when I can move my body, the vehicle that God gave me to move around in, then I seem to be able to access a different part of my understanding of God. For example, looking up at the sky, when I'm outside, it helps make more real to me the psalm verse that says, "My help comes from the Lord who made the heavens and the earth." I have a short body prayer that I've used in worship. You can do it seated or standing. It's Psalm 121. I taught it all summer at a church camp when I was a summer church chaplain to kids from ages 5 to 17. People are naturally curious about combining yoga and their faith, and they'll usually try something easy. So the verse is this: I lift my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord who made the heavens and the earth. And so if you want to, you can do it with me. You stand in mountain pose. And that's with your feet flat on the earth, your hips over your feet, your shoulders over your hips, and your head just looking forward. And then you have your shoulders back and down, and your arms are out to the side with the palms facing forward. You take a breath in, inhale, lift the arms above your head, and then as you exhale, you lean over to the right. You clasp your hands and lean over to the right. You inhale, center, exhale to the left. Inhale, center, look up between your hands, and then widen your hands out. And at the same time, you're bending forward at the waist, coming all the way down so that your hands then touch the earth and bless the earth. So let's do it together. I lift my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord who made the heavens and the earth. Back up, all the way up, hands in prayer. And then you settle in for prayer to me. So we try it again. With my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord. And the heavens and the earth. Thank you. Shanti, Shanti.
Hello friends, I'm Nikki, and today I'm going to be trying one of Pastor Fa's body prayers with yoga. It starts out like this. I lift my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? It comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Wow, that was so refreshing. I invite you guys to try this at home.
Thank you so much, Pastor Fa, with sharing that with us today. And Nikki, thank you for coming out here to share as well. What was that like for you?
It was really enjoyable for me. I really liked having that experience of a moment of calm between my body and my soul.
Great. Well, campers, we again encourage you to try this at home, and you might use the same prayer in scripture, or you might try a different scripture or a different thought and really make it your own. Thanks to everyone watching. Join us again next week when we share praying in color.